Welcome to the Booking for Outlook introduction video. In the minutes ahead, we'll guide you through the setup while also offering crucial insights into the app's key features. Let's dive in. At the outset, let's configure your IAdea panel to display Booking for Outlook. On the basic settings page, click on Set Content. The URL field will appear. Fill in with the provided URL and click Set. Once configured, you can showcase Booking for Outlook simply by clicking play. If this is your first time, the system will prompt you to log in to your Microsoft account. Kindly grant permission for the Stay Signed In request, ensuring a seamless experience. Now let's explore the free version where you can easily monitor room status and get a feel for the essential features provided. In the free version, easily keep an eye on the room status, whether it's available all day, available until the next meeting, or reserved. In addition to monitoring room status, you have the flexibility to expand the schedule section. This allows you to view meeting titles and scroll through the schedule to review both past and future meetings, enhancing your overall booking experience. Up until this point, you may have been wondering why certain buttons were inactive in the free version. Now, with a premium license, unlock advanced features that empower you to view room status and make on-site changes. This includes extending bookings, freeing up a room by canceling it, canceling future reservations, creating future reservations, and making ad hoc bookings when the room is available. Unlike the free version, the premium license grants you the ability to modify reservations directly through the device itself, providing a seamless and dynamic booking experience. In addition to that, with a premium license, you can access the configuration settings. This enables you to modify various aspects, including UI colors and LED behavior in accordance with the room status. Customize your Booking for Outlook experience to align perfectly with your preferences and needs. Finally, in closing, this is just a brief introduction to Booking for Outlook. There's so much more to explore and discover with this app. If you have further inquiry, feel free to contact our sales@IAdea.com.